I think payment system by themselves which remove cashless, I think are not aiding money laundering, but in some way are preventing it. But I think the problem is access to the payment system. So I think before this panel, there was a whole discussion where the whole banking used to happen through the branch. And today we have a scenario where a customer will never visit your branch. In fact, he'll never even see a banker. And the issue is that how easily can a person access your payment system and utilize it? And there are two parts to it. Obviously, a person who's going to remit and then the person who's going to receive it on the other end, which is part of the merchant. And one of the areas, I mean, so you will always see a transaction, but the issue is that you've never seen that merchant and you've never seen that peer. And I think that's the large challenge in digital. Payment system by themselves may not be a challenge, but very, very simple, easy, online, mobile, email-based access to these payment systems are the problem in a digital world. And I think to some extent they do increase the risk, not because of the fact that systematically it's a more risky proposition, but I think it's more riskier because the current system, the way they are built, the way today the banks check AML, CFT, they are based on certain data which was based on a practice which was being followed. And when we are moving to a new system, we are trying to automate the same data points. In a digital world, you have very different data points which come in. And there will be completely new sets of data which need to be analyzed, which may have nothing to do with an earlier data set. And that is where I think the risk increases for a digital payment system.